So hello everyone, Andy here. So today we take a look at this Wiha screwdriver set. Actually, I shall read you what it says on the listing. I ordered this from AliExpress. It says Xiaomi Mijia Wiha screwdriver 24 precision magnetic bit smart repair toy aluminum box me daily use screwdriver kit. Quite yeah, it's always this string of keywords how they do it. So I actually find it quite nifty. It's really, I love it. It's amazing. It's change back to monitor here. So you see it's a aluminium housing. I think there are two different colors or what, I don't know anymore. It's about 17 to 20 bucks US on AliExpress now. Probably on Amazon is a bit more expensive. So what do we have here? We have this anodized aluminum box, or aluminum if you from US. It's a Wiha, it's a German brand I think, and it's also a Mijia, or what that means, and it's also Xiaomi branded, so it's quite confusing. I don't know who is what and whatever. Maybe they have bought the license from Wiha or the patents or whatever. So now we have this nice box. If you push on the top, there slides out this plastic tray. There's quite a funny system here to actually push it out. Then we have these 24 bits from, I don't know if you can see this, it's a driving Phillips, just normal screws, pentalop, Torx, security Torx, and 2 Allen keys, and some kind of special one with 2 points and triangle. And bits are held in magnetically within this tray, so that's quite nifty. I really love this one, it's amazing. Only problem is if you have to put in kind of heavily recessed, or take out heavily recessed screws somewhere, and it's quite big here, so it won't fit in then. In here the bits are also held in magnetically. It's really also aluminium anodized, really beautiful. The bits are amazing. I think they're really high quality. They're actually Wiha brand. Maybe it's the bits are Wiha, so, and the handle is probably, and the design of the whole box is done by Mijia or Xiaomi, I don't know. So we have also this piece up here is not connected I mean it's rotating, so that's quite nice for me actually. I don't know if you have small hands, it's probably not that useful, but I can actually work it like this, so that's amazing. You can put it here on the, and then it can work like this. I mean, if you go like this, it really works great. I love it. So I think that's enough for this one. Can really recommend. Really love this piece of, it's like tool porn. Okay, thanks for watching, and as always, like, subscribe and comment if you have any suggestions and stuff, and yeah, share. Thanks a lot, bye bye.